What's your name, age, and year level po?
So, I am Sophia Britannia. I am 18 years old and I am a first year from College of Engineering.
Okay, so here's our question po, ma'am. When did you start learning this skill to make your crafts?
So, I started learning these skills when I was young since akong parents is mabantayan jud nila nga ganahan ko more on arts bisag bata pa ko. Pero nag-start jud ko og focus ani tong pandemic kay di ba magpuyo ta sa atong mga balay ana. So, akong gibuhat ana nga time is nag-learn ko about ani nagkog mga tutorials, mga videos para unsaon na and then muna dai na there ako nag-focus. Okay. Inspired me to use this skill kay if magbuhat ko ani I feel relaxed and I feel also peace when I'm doing this. Also kanang if nakoy daghag problems if magbuhat ko ani I feel comforted even though dili ni siya tao or something. Pag magbuhat ra jud ko ani is kanang gaan akong feel sa heart bisag daghan kay kog problem. So because of this I feel in peace. That's it.
So third question, ma'am. What materials do you usually need in your crafts or
So, the materials I usually need is kanang depends on the medium I use. So, pero mostly gagamit jud ko og kanang sa canvas, sketch pads, brushes, also palettes, acrylic paints or kanang anything paints and then also watercolors or it could be pencil or color pencil. So,
question, ma'am? What steps, ritual, process do you follow to create your crafts or art?
So, the rituals or the process I made is, first things first, i-ready nimo ang imuhang mga gamit or materials para ana. And then, pagkuman nimo i-ready imong materials, imo nang ikuan sa imong buhaton. And then, the first thing nga akong buhaton is kanang mag-sketch ko kung usa akong buhaton. Like, kanang sa gamit ang pencil, so i-sketch na ko. And then, pagkuman dyan ako og sketch, dayon kay i-color na nako or i-paint na nako akong base or it could be the background or something like that. And then after that, I proceed to doing the big or small details about this art. And then after this, I finish it and complete it with doing the highlights because it will complete the complete look of the art. So that's it.
Thank you for your time and effort for this interview, ma'am.
Thank you.